Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasser the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Guys, if you are having some troubles while using the YouTube, so in this video I am going to explain how you can solve this problem. So stay tuned and keep watching this video up till end. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, open your Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for the YouTube. Click to open. The system is loading the YouTube file, and you can see that the YouTube is asking for to sign in to further process. For example, like the videos, comment or subscribe. If we open subscription, and you can see that I have no subscription because I have not signed in with my Google ID. So how to solve this problem? You have to sign in. So in this video I will explain how we can sign in our Google account or YouTube account to enjoy all the activities. So click on the sign in icon. You can click here. In this first box you have to enter your email address or your phone number to continue the sign in process. Click next. So here you have to enter your password. Click next. It may take some time depending upon the speed of the network. The system is asking for the recovery email if you want to add, or you can skip. In this video I am going to skip this process. Now the system is asking to add a profile picture to your ID. If you want to continue, you can skip, but at the moment I am skipping. It will take a few moments, and you can see that the whole dashboard of the YouTube is changed, and here an profile picture is also being shown, and here you can see the subscriptions. Now you can use the whole features of the YouTube, like commenting on the videos, saving the videos, subscribing different channels. I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.